What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reconnect your Epson EcoTank printer to the Wi-Fi. Now this is a very easy process guys, it's basically the same as just connecting your printer to the Wi-Fi in the first place, and we're going to get right into it really quickly in this video. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure your printer is on, and you want to make sure you are on the home page. Now guys, if you want to reconnect your printer to the Wi-Fi, this is the easiest way via the control panel. I am using an ET-2950 series printer. However, if you do have another printer, EcoTank, that has a control panel screen, then I would just recommend following this tutorial, as all software and hardware are basically the same guys, and they kind of work exactly the same. This tutorial should still work, but anyways, let's get into it quickly. So you want to scroll along the home page guys and go to Wi-Fi setup is the 10th one for me. However, if you have a different printer guys, it might be somewhere else, but just look for Wi-Fi setup. And guys, the easiest one is Wi-Fi. Now it does say easy connect with the app. It takes like 10 minutes longer, if I'm honest, to do it via that way. This is literally just like connecting your printer via connecting your phone to the Wi-Fi. It kind of works exactly the same, and so I'd recommend doing it this way. Now you want to press OK, and you want to go to the Wi-Fi setup wizard. Now guys, this works for reconnecting as well to the Wi-Fi if you're already connected. If you want to connect to a different Wi-Fi, you don't actually have to like reset anything. You kind of just do the same process, but you find a different Wi-Fi. So what it's going to do now guys is it's going to search for your Wi-Fi's that it can find, and I would recommend selecting the top one that you can find, so long as it's your Wi-Fi, of course. For some reason it finds a bunch of my Wi-Fi, so I'm going to select the top one, as that is the one it will have the highest strength signal with. Now you just want to press OK, and guys, so from here you can see there is a keyboard to enter in your password. Now guys, if you can't find your Wi-Fi, I would recommend maybe moving your printer closer to your Wi-Fi box or router, or maybe getting a Wi-Fi extender, as the Wi-Fi connection may not be good enough, or trying another one of the Wi-Fi setup options like the app. Although it takes a while, it is actually quite easy, as they say. Now what you want to do, and I do have a guide in the description, sorry, about how to use the app and connect via your phone. Now, what you want to do, guys, here, as you can see on the keyboard, is you want to enter in all of the your Wi-Fi password. Now, if you don't know your Wi-Fi password, guys, feel free to look at your Wi-Fi box or router, guys. It should be on a sticker normally, on the side or the bottom. Look up the company that you're with if you really can't find it, guys. Find out where it might be, or you can actually check via your phone. You can go into the Wi-Fi settings and then click on the password, and then it should reveal the password to you. Now, what you want to do, guys, is just enter in your password here. And guys, if you need capitals or numbers or symbols, you want to scroll down. So the orange marker is on this button here, as you can see, A1 symbol. So you want to press it for capitals, press it again for numbers and symbols, and then press it again for more symbols, and then press it again to go back to the normal state. So I'm going to enter in my password, guys, and then show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I would really recommend making sure that your Wi-Fi password is entered in correctly, because it's quite an annoying and laborious process. So once you've entered it in, guys, make sure to double check that it's correct, and then you want to scroll down to OK here, as you can see, and then just press OK. And it's going to set up your reconnection to the Wi-Fi. And it should be good after that, guys. You should be connected to the Wi-Fi on your printer, and you can continue to connect your other devices to your printer and find it on your local network to print whatever you want. But that is it for today, guys. If you are having trouble with this, guys, I do have a guide in the description on potential problems you might be facing or alternative methods to connect to the Wi-Fi. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helped, guys. That would be really, really helpful for our channel. And guys, if you are in the need for any printer supplies, paper, ink, then guys, check out our sponsor in the description. It is a third-party small business paper and printer supply shop that ships worldwide. It would be really, really helpful, guys. You would be supporting a small business, and you would be supporting our channel if you check them out. They do on-brand and off-brand paper supplies. So really, whatever you need, guys, they've got it covered. But thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day, and see you in the next one.